future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in America. We're going to keep it right here, and a lot of it's going to be done right here in Florida, right?
It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. So, in the mist, guys. In the mist. It is Superstars at Territory Saturday, right? We had a huge sell-off yesterday, right? Every time we have a huge sell-off, like, people go ballistic inside the Discord and in the Patreon, right? But any of the OGs, you know, we've been here for a while. We actually been here a while. So, you know, I'm pretty numb and unemotional to this type of market. And when I look across the market right now, I look at some of the altcoin charts on what Bitcoin is doing. It's just a massive setup, in my opinion, for the last leg, right? That parabolic stage, right? So, this is you might not get another chance to DCA, man. All those people that's on the sidelines, guys, you do not buy green candles, right? You take on that risk, okay? Not financial advice, but you take on that risk. That's where I've personally always made the most money on, right? Is buying cryptos that either flatline, dead, not buying cryptos on the way up, or even just waiting for a pullback or correction. You can see here by Cyclop in the past cycles, altcoins have peaked exactly 546 days. If this cycle repeats, now is your last chance to buy the dip before alts go parabolic. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update on Jasmy. So if you like these videos like this, like and subscribe. My name is Crypto Millie. I talk about crypto. So, in my opinion, nothing to be too afraid about, guys. I don't understand where the FUD comes in, honestly. You know, you got presidents up here talking about they're gonna bring crypto to the states and bring it to Florida, right? You got multiple companies talking about Bitcoin is going to 1 million. Everybody's preparing for the altcoin season. As you can see, we're in the reaccumulation phase here of altcoins, right? We got the Ethereum spot ETF supposed to be clearing July 2nd, right? It's June 15th. So you got an opportunity. What do you think is going to happen to a lot of these ETH plays, right? These ETH meme coins, your ETH utility tokens, ERC20 tokens, right? As a lot of this ETH gets bought up, right? Because the difference is back when we got the BTC ETFs, everybody was buying the rumor, selling the news, right? So everybody was loading their bags upon the delivery of the BTC ETF because we knew it was coming. No one knew the ETH ETF was coming. So quietly, what the big brains are doing, what the whales are doing, what the experienced traders are doing is they're loading up on ETH. Millie, how do you know they know loading up ETH? Because I'm seeing ETH meme coins that were dead for 6 months 10x, 20x out of nowhere, right? And you know, you got to be part of the Discord, be in some of those meme coins. Baby Pepe was one of them, right? It's another one that I'm looking at that I'm hoping that can explode like Baby Pepe. In fact, Baby Pepe is now on base, right? These guys, these serial developers, it's crazy out here. So we do got catalysts, guys. You know, I want to be, you know, serious. We do got catalysts. You know, I'm laughing because I'm not worried about this market, right? I'm not too concerned about what's going on in the short term. I believe that we needed a pullback here because we've been, you know, we got that close on the month above our what was resistance and turned into support. So that was bullish. But monthly charts take time to play out, right? Maybe 2 to 4 months, right? And it all coincides with Q4, right? Not to add, the Fed, right? The Fed has came out with their own personal bubble maps, and most of the Fed members are in agreement that we should get 2 federal rate cuts. So I thought we was going to get 1. We got 46 days until the next FOMC meeting. This is also bullish, right? This is bullish, right? When we got a long time frame, of course, we're still going to get CPI. We're still going to get Fed minutes. But this is bullish right here, okay? We got 46 days until the next federal meeting. And right now, it's an 89% chance of a pause and a 10% chance of a cut, right? And we're talking about July. In September, 61% chance of a cut, guys. So we're one step closer. And then I guess in November, maybe they do another cut, or they do another pause, or they do another cut. So Q4 is looking like it's going to be bullish, right? Q4 is looking like it's going to be bullish. MicroStrategy, all of these companies are buying Bitcoin. They're buying Bitcoin, right? I think, what, millions or billions of dollars were just transferred from USDC to Coinbase. So somebody is looking to buy some crypto, right? Like, this is what's happening in cryptocurrency, right? There's so many bullish things that's going on, but people tend to focus here on the negative things. So we got to focus on what's going on on the positive, right? I want to see, because I did see that USDC. Okay, here we go. Yeah, 300,000 in USDC was minted, right? So this is bullish, right? This is what happens when when they say those people start minting Tether in USDC. That's actually bullish. That means people are about to buy the dip, right? People are looking to buy the dip. Speaking of buying the dip, guys, with all this bullish information that we got going on, speaking of buying the dip, let's talk about Jasmy. I want to give you guys a small update on Jasmy, all right? Because Jasmy has pulled back a good little bit. And this is what I was telling you guys. I had two triangle patterns here. I had one above our resistance here, which was about 3.5 pennies. We were looking to turn that into support. Of course, this weekly candle, if it closes below 3.5 pennies for the weekly, that means we still have not turned this into support here, right? We got to close, but the next candle is the confirmation candle, and it did not give us any confirmation here above 3.5 pennies. So technically, like I said, I wouldn't be against us kind of like trading in here, putting in another flag pattern like we seen right down here, right? We want to put in another flag pattern and bounce on the way up, right? Because we went up so fast. Experienced traders, whales and stuff, they want to buy Jasmy at a premium. They don't want to buy a top. No one wants to buy a top, right? I don't want to buy a top, right? When I see a crypto that's pumping, I don't want to buy into the green candle. I prefer to buy into the red candle. Now, this is an engulfing red candle, so I'm pretty confident that we could start to trade back in between 3.5 pennies and about 2.5 pennies, which is positive. Okay, I want to reassure you guys that's positive. The RSI here is overbought, and we're kind of neutral here in the stock RSI, but that's positive, right? Even on a 3-day, overbought on a 3-day below the VWAP. So it's a good chance we come back and retest structure that we do have here. So we have a wick candle and structure here. It's a good chance we come and retest structure, which right now would be about 2.8. Not bad entry point, because we know Jasmy was just at 4 pennies. So for the people that's holding, you might not want to hear this, but this is healthy. This is what you need to get more people in your project, right? It needs to come back down to a favorable entry point, right? Jasmy is far above the Bollinger Bands. Excuse me, not the bull market bands. It's far above the Gaussian channel, right? So it needs to come back down so experienced traders, whales, can feel like they're getting Jasmy at a premium. Crypto has to come down, guys, so people feel like they're getting it in a premium. No one wants to buy your bag or your green candles. I know you don't want to hear that, but it's the absolutely truth, okay? So if we go to the altcoin season index here, which is pretty cool, you can see that it's 18, guys. It's literally, what the fuck, 18. Yo, this is it. This is the last big bag opportunity. Of course, if Russia continues to be hanging around Cuba and Florida, this could go lower, right? We could get some type of black swan event. And again, this is all subjective, right? Anything can happen in crypto. My word is not gold, okay? This is just my opinion from experience of being in the market and what I'm personally seeing across the charts. I said this shit 2 years ago. When Bitcoin is in Bitcoin season, this is when you buy your altcoins. This is when you've been adding your bags. All that buying up here, and what are you doing? I know it seems like, oh, it's going down. But guys, if you want to make true money in crypto, this is where you start to load your bags, right? All right. Now, You can be silly and chase that meme coin jargon. All right, I told you guys when the market is frothy, you don't want to be chasing meme coins, okay? You want to just, if you got your meme coins that you're making money off, you want to chill until the market turns back bullish. You want an overall bullish and green environment, right? The best time to trade meme coins, in my opinion, is when the market is looking all the way green, when all these bubbles are green. That's when meme coins are pumping. That's when you can trade them and it's less scams. People are thinking about making money. No one's thinking about selling, cheating, and stuff like that. When it's like this, it's really like player versus player, dog eats dog. I'm revenge trading. I'm trying to make my money. I don't give a fuck about your bag. Sell, sell, sell. So you can go into that environment. Or you can be smart about this, right? Wait till the market turns bullish and use these red days to invest in DCA into your high convictional plays. And I hate using the word invest because I am not a financial advisor. But find entry points into your high convictional plays, the ones that you know that's going to be around for the next 2 to 4 years. So that's my summary of what's going on into the weekend, guys. It's the weekend. Go touch grass. Don't do nothing crazy. I know I'm seeing people in the Discord talking about they losing money because y'all not moving right. Y'all not moving right. You know what I'm saying? You might see me like gradually maybe post a meme coin that I'm looking at, but I'm not about to post no meme coins in an environment like this, especially going into the weekend. We made our gains. I knew this week was going to be shaky because last week was crazy, right? Like super bullish. I knew this week was going to be like this, right? So I took a break. I dipped and dabbed just a little bit in far of my trading, but I didn't really do anything but add to my high convictional plays, preparing myself for the altcoin parabolic season. So guys, let me know what y'all think about the current market, the sentiment. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Will Trump deliver, right? Will Trump deliver? What have you been doing with your altcoins, guys? I like to know. I've been putting out some nice cryptic videos on some altcoins that's on sale from the gaming and the AI sector. You know, I know utility plays aren't sexy. I get it. But this is my warning out to you guys. When those utility plays start pumping again, and you sitting there like, damn, I bought all these meme coins. Don't forget, Millie told your ass. Millie told you. Like, it's fun, but you don't do that every day, every week. You if you have a good week, cool, you chill. And you be smart. You be smart. Greed is how you lose your money. It's very, very similar to a casino. When you go play in a casino and you win, if you keep playing, they are going to get that money back from you. You win in a meme coin, but you keep playing, eventually you're going to lose your money back to the market. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.